I'm Eric Weiss from Omar. Today we're talking about the Omar universal joints used in the Stein GCO ovens. JBT, Stein, GCO 1000, GCO original, all have universal joints in them. The age-old ones have 2-inch shafts. The newer ones have 50mm shafts. All of those are available from Omar from stock. The Omar universal joint is patented. The process for rebuilding it is patented. It takes the work out of replacing U-joints because it's rebuildable. So this universal joint has 4 pins in it, 1, 2, 3, 4. And those pins push into a knuckle to provide the pivot joint. This knuckle is rebuildable. So in the field, we can replace the knuckle in the universal joint if it's still in good shape. So we can pull this apart, put a new knuckle assembly in there, put it back together in a matter of minutes compared to replacing the entire U-joint. In addition to that, this universal joint is updated. Cost to rebuild it is significantly less than replacing it as an assembly from the OEM. The OEM has solid pins all the way through these blocks. Once they wear, it has to go to a machine shop to be built up and turned back down, or it needs to be replaced as an assembly. The Omar universal joint just needs a new knuckle assembly. These are in stock for upper and lower drives. Contact us. Our phone number is 419-426-0610.